Walked into IKEA, feeling proud and all so fine. Blue trolley in my hands, thinking I'll be good this time. But then I turned a corner, oh no, what a trap. Sofas, desks, and coffee cups, I wanna buy the map. The signs are like riddles, arrows laughing at me. Where's the exit? I asked, staff smiles, turn right 3 times, you'll see. I'm lost in IKEA, walking around's a test of zen, trying to find the way out, but carpets pull me back again. I'm lost in IKEA, bought 2 pillows by mistake, just wanted to rest a bit, now I'm in a great escape. Some folks eating meatballs, having time of their life. I'm still stuck in showrooms, my brain's in strife. A couple's arguing over shower drapes.